I take out 4 across the top and 1 down one side. And that way you can spread the frame. Bring it down and out. Next is your soft flexi flap. Make sure Petway faces outside. Make sure the magnet's aligned. See the magnet? It's not repelling. Put one back in. And you spread the frame apart. There's a little T section, like a thick section on there and there. You got to get that up into the gap. So you spread the frame, push it up into the gap, like so. In. Do that one up a little bit tighter so it pulls the frames together. Let's get one of these just so it just takes up a little bit of slack. And then you get any piece of paper or whatever, and you put it under here and you plonk it up. Like so. You bring that up 1 tooth. You can feel it jump up. See the teeth? Try and get them even. Look at that gap through there. Once you've got that gap even and you've got the same amount of teeth on both sides, then you can slowly bring it back up. You can feel it pulling in together the 2 frames. You've got to be patient and go nice and slow. As the screws pull up, it pulls. There's 2 teeth, 1 tooth there and 1 tooth there moulded into the plastic that bite onto the clear vinyl. Take that away. There you go. You can loosen them all up and adjust it up a little bit more if you want more of a gap at the bottom. And that's normally all you need.